Shares of Nintendo were up 14% on Friday after Tencent Holdings received a green light to start selling the video game maker's portable Switch console in China. Authorities in Chinese province of Guangdong granted Tencent preliminary approval to distribute the gaming console as well as Nintendo's Super Mario Bros. Franchise, although analysts cautioned that there are still regulatory matters to deal with and that Switch would not be available right away. Oil prices registered more than 2% gains on Monday, driven by reports about the US possibly preparing to end waivers that permit some countries to buy Iranian oil despite sanctions. US West Texas Intermediate crude oil futures rose 2.3% to $65.55 per barrel, while Brent oil futures climbed 2.5% to $73.78 per barrel. Some of the major European banks sharply fell more than 1% after hopes for further assistance in the financial sector eased on comments from European Central Bank board member Benoît Cœuré, which would excuse banks from paying a 0.40% annual charge on a portion of their excess money. Boeing on Wednesday reported a 21% drop in earnings for the first 3 months of the year, weighed by issues that left its 737 MAX aircraft grounded in several airlines. The plane giant said both revenue and profit declined compared to a year earlier, adding that it plans to put share buybacks on hold and withdraw its current guidance to issue a new guidance at a future date, as it deals with the uncertainty surrounding the return to service of its 737 MAX fleet. Asian stocks dropped to 3-week lows on Thursday as the expected weakness in German and South Korean economic reports rekindled concerns over decelerating global growth. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan were down 0.7%, while Japan's Nikkei closed the session with a gain of 0.4%, whereas European shares are expected to have a slightly better start, with futures up by 0.15% to 0.25%.